Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. So I just wanted to do this, guys, because this is breaking news. XRP is launching on Coinbase Pro on February 25th at 10 a.m. PT. That's 10 a.m. Pacific time. I got this tweet here from XRP_Canada. I also got this tweet from EasyXRP. That's at ERST69. And so they are both alerting me to the fact that Coinbase is now going to have XRP on their pro trading platform. So let's read a little bit about this in Coinbase's blog. So support for XRP will initially be available for Coinbase Pro users in the US, excluding New York, UK supported European Union members nations, Canada, Singapore, and Australia. Additional jurisdictions may be added at a later date. After 10 a.m. on February 25th, 2019, we will begin accepting inbound transfers of XRP to Coinbase Pro. We will accept deposits for a minimum of 12 hours prior to enabling full trading. Please note that inbound transfers require the specification of an XRP destination tag. Once sufficient supply of XRP is established on the platform, trading on the XRP USD, XRP Euro, XRP BTC order books will start the phases, beginning with post-only mode and proceeding to full trading. Should our metrics for a healthy market be met, XRP trading will initially be accessible for Coinbase Pro users in the US, yada yada, we already heard that. XRP is the cryptocurrency used by the XRP ledger, which supports international currency exchanges and remittances. Okay, yeah, we know all that. So here we go, finally, XRP being traded on Coinbase. I just wanted to get the video out there for you guys to see. So I'm going to link this blog in the article. Special thanks to XRP_Canada for doing that. That's XRP_Canada for sending that along, as well as EasyXRP at ERST69. I'll link both these articles in the description. And guys, look at what it's already done here. Look at that. Isn't that just a thing of beauty? I mean, we're likely to see a dump after this, but nevertheless, we can enjoy it while it lasts. But I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.